African Math is brought to you by Bitrick.
Greetings, family, and welcome to African Math. We're going to have fun today doing a fun sticker count activity, and we're going to have our wonderful scribe, Mackenzie, walk us through it. So she's going to tell you exactly what we need to do.
Okay, so first you trace the little sticks. Just straight lines going down through the sticks. And you count while you trace them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 villagers. So then we're going to trace 5 units on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, everyone, I love this part.
Me too.
It's time to place your stickers. And now you just place the stickers over the ones. And you can count while you do it too. That's why it's called sticker count.
1 sticker. 2 stickers. 3 stickers. 4 stickers. And 5 stickers. Great job. I love sticker count. You know why? Because I love to count and I love stickers. So we need to count the units to the left for all the villagers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sticker time, sticker, 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 sticker.
Box, sticker, sticker.
Sticker,
Box,
sticker.
sticker.
1 sticker. 2 stickers. 3 stickers. 4 stickers. 5 stickers. 6 stickers.
Look at all those stickers.
You gotta stick the sticker. Sticker time. Now let's count this one. We count the villagers, then the stickers. This time we have more villagers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it's sticker time. 1 sticker.
2 sticker.
2 sticker.
3 sticker.
3 stickers.
4 stickers.
4 stickers.
5 stickers.
5 stickers.
6 stickers.
6 stickers. 7 stickers. Piyama Kofi. Mojam Bili Tatu. This time, we're going to count our house of 10, then our villagers.
Last time we did 1. We only did villagers. We're going to do 10 stickers.
So, 10. We're going to count on from 10. 10 1, 10 2, 10 3. So we have a total of 10 3 villagers. The big sticker are for the 10s. The little stickers are for the 1s. Now let's trace our 10s and our 1s. Come on. 10, 10 1, 10 2, 10 3. So now we need to drag up our big 10 sticker to the 10s column. 10 sticker, The big sticker is only for 10s and the little stickers are for 1s.
Okay. Now you need to count your little tiny stickers.
10 1 stickers. It's not just 1, remember, it's 10 in 1. So we have 10 1 stickers, 10 2 stickers, 10 3 stickers. Pika makofi, mojang bili tatu. Remember, family, we love you. And why do we love you? Because love unites us all. See you next class. Happy learning.